Was Basav Raju a terrorist? Yes or no? हिम्मत है तो बोल दो, इधर उधर की बातें कर रहे हो। अभी मैं इनसे पूछ रहा हूं, ही इज आर्बिट्रिंग टेररिस्ट कौन है, टेररिस्ट कौन नहीं है। मैंने इनसे सीधा सवाल पूछा, क्या वो माओइस्ट टेररिस्ट है, हाँ या ना? यू लव योर कंट्री चाइना।
पीपी मतलब कि पाकिस्तानी प्रोपेगेंडा, और यहां पर आरआर रेकलेस राहुल है। कांग्रेस और पाकिस्तान दो शरीर एक जान, बोले एक ही जुबान।
I support India. I don't support Modi, and Modi is not India.
Anand Ranganathan, do we have anybody else to blame for the kind of narrative deficit that has been created by the opposition?
Why doesn't Prime Minister Modi contradict President Trump? What is he waiting for?
नाविका आधे तो
Done it on several occasions. Why doesn't it register to the opposition is my question, Anand Ranganathan.
नाविका आधो जिनको ब्लेम करना है वो तो आपके पैनलिस्ट बने हुए। आप विवेक है, अभी 2 दिन पहले इनको ट्रैप किया था, उसके बाद काफी गालियां सुन रही पड़ रही थी। आज मैं इनको एक सीधा सवाल पूछता हूं। वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ड्रेडेड माओइस्ट टेररिस्ट Basav Rao, who had a price of 10 million on his head, was killed recently by our brave jawans. I want to ask Vivek Srivastav, was Basav Raju a terrorist? Yes or no? हिम्मत है तो बोल दो, इधर उधर की बातें कर रहे हो, बताओ।
गुड आप डाइवर्ट हो गए। आपने तो यार पाकिस्तान से डाइवर्ट होकर के
बोलो,
आगे पॉइंट्स नहीं थे क्या?
बोलो, was Basav Raju a terrorist or not?
Why should I? The debate is on Pakistan.
Was he a terrorist? घबराओ नहीं, घबराओ नहीं, बोलो।
Points, tell me.
आ रहा उस पे, पहले recognize करो टेररिस्ट कौन है।
Well, a Maoist terrorist is also a terrorist, my friend. What? How do you not want to call him a terrorist?
Because please allow
Israel is a terror state. I say it every day. Israel is a terror state.
आप
Israel. Okay, Basav Raju पे सवाल है, the जवाब, the answer is about Israel being a terror state. Anand Ranganathan, that's logic for you.
सवाल क्यों है?
Logic for you.
राजू पे सवाल क्यों है?
नहीं, as I said ना, you can't, communists cannot be eradicated, only herd immunity can do this। अभी मैं इनसे पूछ रहा हूँ, he is arbitrating terrorist कौन है, terrorist कौन नहीं है। मैंने इनसे सीधा सवाल पूछा, क्या वो माओइस्ट टेररिस्ट थे, हाँ या ना? अब इजराइल पे पहुंच गए। हिम्मत नहीं है बोलने की, बिकॉज फॉर यू टेररिस्ट आर नॉट टेररिस्ट। दैट इज द रीजन वाई, बट स्टिल आई डोंट कॉल यू एंटी नेशनल, बिकॉज यू लव योर कंट्री चाइना।
Well,
just one line. Mr. Sanjay Jha quoted 3 statements. I condemn those statements. Now Sanjay condemned Khadge saying छुटपुट war था।
I want to tell you one thing,
सबसे हाईएस्ट पैदान पे बैठते हो ना। I condemn the house rightly, unconditionally. Condemn Khadge. Condemn Alka Lamba.
Listen. No, I will answer you.
Condemn Alka Lamba. Condemn.
I'm answering you.
Condemn Sandeep Dixit.
I'm answering you.
Please answer. Condemn.
Shehzad, I'm answering you. Listen to me. You know what is most condemnable? Is the fact that your party is exploiting the valor of the armed forces for electoral marketing.
और इंदिरा 1971 जिता के आई
both
थी।
parties have
इंदिरा
viewpoints.
1971 जिता के आई
Now,
थी।
1 minute.
कि Sam
What
Malik
you
Shaw।
are doing in trying to make capital out of the Indian armed forces is disgusting.
man ever
I think
have
you
an
agree
answer?
with that,
Does he
but you
ever
will
have
not
an
see it on the
answer?
show.
well, आप करें तो बहुत अच्छा। In 1971, you said, and every congressman says that Indira Gandhi is responsible for breaking Pakistan into 2 parts, East Pakistan and West Pakistan. Did she win the war, or did the army at that time win the war? आप करें तो ठीक, और कोई करे तो गलत। You know, these are different yardsticks. Oh, and also Vivek Srivastav, while you are answering that one, please also answer. I thought in the left parties, no individual was ever greater than the system. But Pinari Vijayan is a living legend. Now, is that not a personality cult? You have a problem with the personality cult of Narendra Modi. Not one word on Pinari Vijayan?
You can't compare them. Cheek and chalk cannot be compared. Pinarayi Vijayan is cheese, and my prime minister is like a chalk right now. 11 साल अंधकार के, 11 साल देश को बर्बाद करने के, देश गलत दिशा में चल चुका है। नहीं दिख रहा तो आंखें बंद कर लीजिए। इफ यू कैलकुलेट कि हमने कितना कर्ज ले रखा है, जरा जाइए और चेक करिए। अभी वापस मांग नहीं रहे, जब एक झटके में मांगेंगे तो फिर जैसे अभी डोनाल्ड ट्रंप की शाबाशी लेके आए हैं, फिर जाके कुछ देश का गिरवी रखाएंगे। दिस इज वेयर द कंट्री इज गोइंग। पैसा आ कहां से रहा है, कहां से जनरेट कर रहे हैं? कर्जों से। 2014 when this prime minister became the prime minister, और आज 2025, what is the amount of money that India has to return? Question number 1. Question number 2, हिंदू और मुसलमान आज एक दूसरे के जान के दुश्मन बन रहे हैं। रोज कोई ना कोई इशू, कभी किसी मस्जिद के नीचे, कभी किसी मजार के नीचे, कभी कोई मूर्ति तो कभी कोई मंदिर। दिस इज गोइंग ऑन ओनली इन द लास्ट 10 years. वी नेवर सॉ इट बिफोर। आपका किसी भी पड़ोसी के साथ कोई रिश्ता नहीं है, ना चीन आपका, ना नेपाल, ना भूटान, ना बांग्लादेश, ना पाकिस्तान। Nobody is with you. You had a problem across the border right now, and no country in the world stood for you despite 168 foreign visits of Prime Minister. Where do you stand? बस लेकर के रोज आप प्रिंट मीडिया, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया, सोशल मीडिया में अपना भोंपू बजाए जाइए। मैं बड़ा महान प्राइम मिनिस्टर हूं, मैं बड़ा महान प्राइम मिनिस्टर हूं। आप पोलराइज करके इलेक्शन जीत जाते हैं, बट वेयर इज द नेशन गोइंग? ये बहुत सारी वेलफेयर की स्कीमें लिस्ट कर रहे हैं।
श्रीवास्तव जी,
और
you're worried about neighbors, आप तो हो जाइए इनके साथ। Salman Khurshid is saying one thing, the rest of the Congress is saying something different. आप चाइना के साथ हैं, इंडिया के साथ हो जाइए ना। You are always praising China and Pakistan. Why can't you be an Indian and support Indian? What are you giving lectures to others for?
Yeah. I support India. I don't support Modi, and Modi is not India. बर्बाद किया है मेरे देश को।
At the moment he is the prime minister.
We supported him. We supported him.
Mr. Vivek, you have made
We
your point.
supported him.
Mr. Vivek,
And
you have
he
made
said,
your
"I'm
point,
going
but
to
at
hit
least the
out at
facts
Pakistan."
should
We
be
supported him.
the facts should
We
not be
blindly said
quoted wrong.
कि हम मोदी के
Navika,
साथ
if I
हैं।
may just briefly
हमने
intervene.
कहा हम भारत सरकार के
Navika,
साथ
now
हैं।
it's getting into
हमने
shouting.
कहा
Let's have a
मोदी जो
dignified
कहेंगे,
debate.
Okay.
हम उनको
Navika,
समर्थन
please allow me a
देंगे।
dignified
लेकिन
response
बदले
to
में
this, and
मिला
it's
क्या
also.
हमको?
All right, Vivek.
Thank you.
Response
See,
coming
now
in.
one has said that no country has stood with India. UK's Preeti Patel, Israel, France, Russia, Italy, and recently Germany. All of them have stood with India. But let me explain the foreign policy of Vivek ji. Vivek ji, आप पैलेस्टाइन करते थे, ड्रोन किसका काम में है, इजराइल का या पैलेस्टाइन का? अच्छा, आप रशिया के खिलाफ वोट कर दीजिए, यूक्रेन के लिए वोट करिए, ये बोला था कांग्रेस पार्टी ने ऑफिशियली। टुडे द S-400 of Russia has been useful for us. And we have also got the Predator drones from America without being sanctioned for S-400 system. We have bought oil from Russia, and we are good and friendly
Not
with
a
America.
single
Please don't
nation
interrupt.
stood
Sir,
with India.
Navika, I request you. Let's have a dignified debate.
single nation.
Navika, please, let's have a dignified debate. I'm finishing my
You
point.
make your point.
Let me have my dignified.
Vivek, hold on.
No,
Navika, today, we are the only country in the world कि हम क्वाड को लीड भी करते हैं और SCO में भी है। हम इजराइल के बेंजामिन नेतन्याहू से भी मिलते हैं और पैलेस्टाइन का हाईएस्ट सिविलियन ऑनर भी पीएम को मिलता है। वी आर द ओनली कंट्री दैट टॉक्स टू पुतिन, एंड वी आल्सो आर एबल टू टॉक टू ज़ेलेंस्की, व्हिच इवन अमेरिका कैन नॉट डू, इवन चाइना कैन नॉट डू। वी आर द ओनली country which buys S-400, and we are getting the Predator drones.
True.
This is the foreign policy strength. Therefore, you cannot
Everything
ignore it.
is not perfect, but we are better today than we are 11 years ago. I want to ask you, Vivek Srivastava. Vivek Srivastava, Pakistan is showing China's picture. Maybe a happy moment for you, but isn't it embarrassing that the army chief cannot make out the difference between China's drill and Pakistani's drill? And this faux pas happens at the level of the prime minister. So you can imagine how the Pakistani army treats the prime minister of Pakistan. And here, you're running down your own country.
No, I'm not running down my own country, but the entire international media, I was watching the BBC, and the anchor over there 4 days back said, I'm so surprised. It's a war where two people fight and both of them celebrate. Nobody knows who wins, who loses. This is what the entire American and the European media is talking about. And this simply because we could not control the President of the United States.
You don't want to believe. No Indian believes Pakistan has won this war. But Vivek Srivastava, what will it take to make you believe that India has won the war?
Why did Pakistan get money from IMF that very morning? I want to know this. What happened in the night? Who facilitated? What was the role of Trump? My Prime Minister and the government is silent, and the entire nation wants to know. And that is what will explain who won and who lost. My military won, my army won, my Jawans won. Everybody won in the defense. But then the government on the diplomatic front, we lost. We could not handle it. Not a single country stood by us. Nobody said India, here we are.
Ignorance,
Ye lo asla.
very
Ye lo
difficult
jawan. Hum hain khade
to
tumhare saath.
actually
Lord देंगे
address.
पाकिस्तान को.
Shehzad Poonawalla,
What
I
Russia-
leave it to
Russia
you
did.
because you're in politics, your party is in government. You have to take the onus of convincing Vivek Srivastava.
Look, first of all, I'm very happy to hear Vivek Srivastava today because this is a party which in 1960s said we won't give our blood to Indian soldiers for the Indo-China war. Today he's saying my military won. Modi hai to
We did not
mumkin
say
hai.
that.
Now please sir, I
We
did not
did not
interrupt you.
say
There's
that.
limited time on the debate. Vivek bhai, there's limited time. Anand also has to speak. Sanjay also has to
हमने ये
speak.
सब नहीं कहा.
Sir, I'm
आप
requesting
गलत
you,
कह रहे हैं.
Navika, this can't be a
Part of
plat-
history that everybody knows Vivek Srivastava,
But
so don't
Navika,
take it
irrespective
personally.
of that, when we speak, Anand and I speak, we never interrupt anybody. But there's a constant interruption from the other side. Now, please let us speak and you can interrupt.
Okay, go on. I'm lowering your fader. Go on.
Commentary
Thank
दे
you.
सकते हैं?
Look, Pakistan is in deception, denial and delusion. Gen Z would say that they are in delulu, but problem is that वहाँ पे शाहबाज है जो सोचता है कि हार होने के बाद भी वो जीत गए. यहाँ पर भी तो शिनेत है. वो 99 की सीट्स आती है और बोलते हैं हम जीत गए. तो वहाँ पे पीपी मतलब कि पाकिस्तानी प्रोपेगेंडा और यहाँ पर आरआर reckless Rahul है. Look at what he has done. He has gone to Poonch and he has said it's a tragedy. An act of war is being called, an act of terror is being called as an act of tragedy. Whitewashing Pakistani terror, giving them a clean sheet. We have seen the manner in which, whether it is giving Pakistan a clean sheet in Pahalgam, whether it's giving a clean sheet in 26/11 or Pulwama or Samjhauta, Congress has done this time and again. And how they have done Sena Ka Apman. Let's forget the earlier instances. Just take this one. They have called Chutput War for Operation Sindoor. They have said that this is Operation Blue Star instead of saying Operation Sindoor. And let me give you three specific things which Anand Ranganathan should be credited for. One, 1974, Indira Gandhi actually offered our nuke tech to Pakistan. Two, in 1960s, today what Nishikant Dubey has put out, that areas of Kashmir were offered to Pakistan. Why? 1968, 828 square kilometers near the Rann of Kutch was given to Pakistan despite us winning the 1965 war. And lastly, 1994, they ratify a treaty which gives the advanced troop movements to Pakistan. This is the face of Congress party. Congress और पाकिस्तान दो शरीर एक जान बोले एक ही जुबान दोनों है
Sanjay
भाईजान.
Jha, please respond.
Yeah, and Navika, I'll keep my answer brief. A minister in the government who mocks Colonel Sophia Qureshi and continues to be there. The BJP makes this token statement, we'll take action, they do nothing. Jagdish Devra, a deputy chief minister who has the audacity to say that India's great and courageous armed forces bow before Mr. Modi. I mean, that man continues to occupy his position. There is a new guy, an MP called Ram Chandra Jagra, who actually said that the women in Pahalgam, can you imagine? The widows in Pahalgam should have defended themselves. I mean, you have reached a point of such absurdity from the BJP that there's nothing left to say. And I want to add one point here, away from this partisan political slugfest. Nirupama Rao, ex-Foreign Secretary of India, in a very dispassionate piece has written that we could have done much better, that we did lose the information battle with Pakistan.
But that's,
it is not a piece.
That's
written by
thanks
an
to the opposition, my friend. That's thanks to the opposition.
She's
That
blamed
is
the government.
constantly asking the question, how many Rafales have fallen down? How many of our planes have fallen down? Which refuses to believe that the ceasefire was called by the Pakistani DGMO. But you want to give credit to President Trump and sully India's victory.